I can tell you that personally, I am looking forward to this year, the 21st year of Reggae Sumfest. I'd like to congratulate Johnny and Robert for standing behind the music for so long. This industry is what can take Jamaica to higher heights. It has been doing so, and anybody that was watching the BET Awards, our guys represented very well. What Sumfest is going to do is it's going to raise the bar even more and have them come to us. I'm excited for two reasons. Personally, I can remember the trips down to Mobay, the 11-hour trips. Yes, 11 hours from Kingston. Don't ask me why. To experience some of the best times that I had growing up 20 years ago. So, and from a professional standpoint, the Gleaner company and where we're taking it with our multimedia thrust is to give everyone who can't actually make it to the venue the absolute best coverage that they can have outside of the venue. To the patrons that will be there, you will see the new multimedia thrust through a booth. We'll be taking lots of pictures, we'll be tweeting, we'll be doing many interactive things. And then of course, to cap off your night, you'll have the printed product delivered to the venue each night on time in Mobay in true Gleaner fashion. I'd like to tip my hat to all of the sponsors who have rallied behind Johnny and Robert, and I'd like to wish them the very, very best of success. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. Thank you.